What's going on? Welcome to the channel. Today I'm working on a 2019 Hyundai Santa Fe. It wants us to replace the spark plugs, so that's one thing that we are going to be doing today. So to start off, pop your hood, take this cover off, you just tug it up. It has these pieces right here. They're just grommets that slide right up. These out, obviously it's 4 of them. This you can just pull out, set it right there. And it'll pop right out, just like that. You grab your 10 mil. And you zap them out. Here, screws out, that way you don't lose them. Pull them out. You can set them up somewhere, wherever you're comfortable. I don't know which size spark plug socket you need. If you buy the new spark plugs, you can just measure it there. In this case, it's a 5/8. Three. Also, anytime if you don't, these look pretty worn, not too bad. One thing you can do is go counterclockwise, and then you'll feel it like sit. That's when you can start going right. That way you don't cross thread. One, two, three. And now, because you've lubed it up, the grommets are easy to pop back in place. And I'll see you in the next video. Drop a like and subscribe if the video helped.